Without any of this chicken, I would be forced to resign as king. And all of the work that I had put in, not just over the past 90 days, but also everything that I had done to become king, would have been a complete waste.